For this lesson, you will need worksheet 134. Before we get started on our lesson, we are going to write some letters or a letter that makes the sound that I say. So please write them down on this worksheet. Number 1, Z. Number 2, N. Number 3, Ah. Number 4, W. Number 5, Oo. Number 6, O. Number 7, V. Number 8, U. Number 9, F. Number 10, Fu. In this lesson, we're going to review affixes we've learned this year. What is an affix? Good job. It's a group of letters added to the beginning or end of a root word that changes the word's meaning. How do we code affixes? Good job with the box. Where do we find suffixes? Great. They go at the end of root words. Here is a list of suffixes. Can we think of words that use these suffixes? Let's start at the top. S, we could say bricks, meaning more than one. ES, we could say patches, meaning more than one. ING, we could say jumping. It's happening now. ED, we could say jumped. It's already happened. ER, we could say darker, meaning it's more dark than something else. We're comparing two things. Or in baker, it's someone who bakes. For EST, we could say darkest. It's the most dark. We're comparing three or more things. For less, we could do careless, meaning without. For full, we could say gleeful. We are full of glee. Ness, we could say redness. It's a state of red. Lee, we could say weekly. It's occurring. And the Y at the end, the suffix, we could say sandy, full of sand. What's the same about suffix S and ES? Both mean more than one. Did you notice that? What's the difference between S and suffix ES? ES is used after hissing sounds. For instance, like ch, sh. Where do we find prefixes? Good job, at the beginning of root words. These are the prefixes that we've learned this year. Let's try to think of some words that has one of these prefixes. Let's look at the first one. We could say untie, or it's the opposite of tie, not tied. Dislike means to not like. And pre-cook means to cook before. Now let's practice using our suffixes and prefixes. Go back to your worksheet and point to number 11. Write the word letters. Number 12, eating. Number 13, smelled. Number 14, sleepless. Number 15, sadly. Number 16, sickness. Number 17, longest. Number 18, wishes. Please code the rest of the words with all the coding that we've learned this year. Please be sure to draw a line from the correct picture to the correct word. On the back, please be sure to use the words to help you write sentences about what's going on in the picture, and please be sure you use all the lines.